Hi guys, welcome to my next video. Here in this video, I would like to discuss with you few very fundamental features of Python, that is indexing and slicing. Okay, let's start. So here I have defined a string and also a list, because indexing and slicing can be used both on strings as well as on list. Hope I assume that you all know what are lists in Python and what are strings. So today we'll concentrate on slicing and indexing. Okay. So just quickly I'll show you. Print name of. Usually list and strings are basically index start with 0, and suppose if I say name equal to 0 and also print list a 0, in name 0 the first element is s, and in list a first element is a. So when I run this program, it should display me s and a. So quickly run. Sorry, I missed a parenthesis here. Yeah, as you see, it displays yes and a. And yeah, indexing can be start with 0. Suppose if you want to display like maybe 5th character, so you can just use indexing, and here you can choose like 4. So here you should put D. So let me quickly run. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is the name of 5. And the list A is A, B, C, D. That is the 4th one. Sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is E. This is called indexing. So indexing is very straightforward. Suppose what will happen suppose if you say, maybe I'll put it at 100 and see what happens. Yeah, this error usually occurs in indexing because you're trying to access the element which is not existing, so it is out of bound. So that's why it says string index out of range. So you need to be careful while you are working with indexing. Make sure that one of the easy method with string and list is you can use a length of string length function. So you can use to find out what is the length of string. Sorry, here also. Yeah, here you can use the length function to show that it's 17 characters. There are 17 characters on name and also 8 elements in the list. So this is called indexing. So 0 to 17 in the name and 0 to 8 in the list. Now quickly, so let's switch over to slicing. So what slicing means is, instead of indexing, you can choose from second. Suppose if you want to display the second element to 4th element, so what you do is 2, and you need to put 5, because slicing is slightly works like if you put 2 to 5, it says that from second element to 4th element, 5th element will be ignored. So that's why you need to put like that. And suppose here I will display from 1 to 4. Okay. See, as you can see, 0, 1, 2, that is A element, and 1, 2, 3, 4. But it didn't display the n, because if it's last element, it will be ignored. So you need to be careful on this one. So So basically it's like 2 followed by third, fourth element will be displayed. Suppose if you want to display all the elements, all the characters after second element, so how you display? Just don't specify the end character. Here, so slicing works like this. So except we start with the second character 0, 1, 2, that is A, and displays till the end, and here also the same thing. Okay, so hope it makes sense to you. And also one more interesting thing in slicing. Suppose if you specify in negative integers, just check what you can expect. Can you guess? Let me run to show you. -2. Basically it's counting from the reverse direction. So it starts with -1 and -2. Remember, 0th element is S, -1th element is G, and -2 is N. Similarly, -3 it says -1, -2, and -3. So this is very interesting. Mostly few of the interviewers will ask you in the negative indexing just to make you check some of the questions. So you need to be a bit careful. And also, what will happen suppose if I don't specify any slicing numbers? Let me run. So basically what it happens is it didn't do anything, but it displays the same character again. So maybe it's like a copying the same string or copying the list. So you can assign to another list or something. So suppose the trick question is how to suppose if you want to copy the same string into another string name 2, and here I will say list B. Now if I run it, print name 2, print list B. So what will happen is basically should copy this string and list and display me the results. Okay. So basically if you use the only colon without slicing indexes, then it will work as a simple copy of the string as well as list. I hope it makes sense to you. One last thing, what will happen is suppose if you say -1, -2. Okay, so this is interesting. So basically it starts with, because I'm not given the beginning string, so it starts with 0th element and it goes till -1th element, so last but 1, and here last but 2, so 1 and 2 will not be displayed. Okay, these are different concepts in string which you in the slicing, which in Python you can use indexing and slicing on both strings as well as on list, so it works almost similarly. That's why I showed you with name as well as list A. So one is string and another one is list. So hopefully this tutorial will help you to write programs using the slicing. This is quite essential when you want to extract some of the substring or sub characters inside a string, or some of the elements inside a list. So hope you make use of this tutorial to learn about slicing. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.